In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to reset your TradingView chart to default on the mobile app. First things first, make sure you're logged into your TradingView account. If you haven't already, open your TradingView app and enter your credentials. Logging in is crucial because it ensures that all your settings and data are synced correctly and personalized just for you. Once you're logged in successfully, let's move to the next step. Now, you'll want to open up your chart. The home screen of the app should have a section or an icon dedicated to accessing charts. Tap on it to bring up the chart view. This screen is where you'll be able to see all of your technical analysis, indicators, and other custom settings that you've been working with. Next, you'll see the gear icon, which is typically found at the top of the interface or around the chart area. Tap on that gear icon to open the settings menu. This icon represents the gateway to all chart-related settings and configurations. By accessing the settings, you allow yourself to make nuanced changes to how your chart appears. Once inside the settings menu, start scrolling down. As you scroll, you'll pass by several options that let you adjust everything from colors to specific technical indicators. Keep scrolling until you find an option labeled More Settings. This step is key because More Settings typically contains more advanced options and general configurations beyond what's immediately visible. Now, focus on locating the three dots, often found at the top or bottom sections of the More Settings menu. This is a common place in various apps where additional menus might be hiding. Tap on it when you see it. Selecting these three dots will usually reveal a drop-down or a submenu, sometimes referred to as an overflow menu, containing deeper, less frequented options. In this newly opened menu, there's an option that reads Apply Defaults. This specialized command resets all of your current personalizations back to the default settings defined by TradingView. Be aware that using this option will replace your custom settings, so you'll lose any unique setups or adjustments you've made. Therefore, make sure this is something you truly want to do. Finally, you're going to need to tap OK to confirm your selection. By doing this, the app recognizes your choice to restore everything to default. And just like that, your chart should now be back to TradingView's original configurations. It's always useful to know how to do this, especially if things get overly complicated or if you simply want a clean slate. There you have it, all steps necessary to reset your TradingView chart to default on your mobile app. Enjoy your refreshed charting experience.